neck go, the neck go, neck. Now the neck go, the neck no neck. Now the neck go, now the neck go. Yeah, necko, 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 neck, necko, neck, 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 necko, necko, neck, 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 necko. Necko, neck, and the neck, neck.
Oh, Billy.
Go, neck, the neck, neck, and necko, necko, neck, 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 necko, necko, neck, neck, necko, necko. Necko, 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 neck, 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 necko, 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 neck, 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 necko, 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 necko.
Oh, hey there. Yeah, I hate you. Just kidding. How did you know? Goodness gracious, my freaking throat. All of a sudden I got like... Goodness gracious. Which one is this? Oh, there. That's Let's do this. Bam. Bam. I'm setting up the sound or the music. Slick stream. All the stuff I had to go through. Is this public? Yeah, it's public. Sometimes I forget. It makes something public. Oh, goodness. Necko. Let me hit myself with something. Oh, that works. Sweet. Sweet. Oh, Billy. Oh, Billy. Let me test this. Oh, sweet. There we go. Hopefully everybody's doing good. I'll go over some things that I've been doing. There's one thing I don't know if I should hide or not. Yeah, here, there we go. Let me put on the background music. The heat is on. Oh, thank you, sir. All right, so I've been trying to deploy a server, and I get it deployed, but then I can't SSH into it. So, what's this? I made an SSH key on my MAAS. Like, okay, when I'm in here on this PC here, PC we're currently on, like I try to go into the node, can't get into it. Like it just hangs. It just hangs. I don't know why. Good luck trying to find information on it, by the way. It's near impossible. I'm able to ping into it and all that. So on my MAAS here, I did not have, good morning. Good morning. Ow. That hurt. And so, oh my goodness. Yeah, so I made a freaking key for my MAAS. And the way that you do that, I don't know, man. I was thinking like, maybe I should wait a little bit and talk a little bit. But the way that you do that, you make the key in there, you do the SSH generate. So I won't buy it. Oh, nice. And then like I did an SCP, copy it, brought it over here, and then I added it into like you go into is it settings? You go into your settings and you go into users, and then you hit this edit button and you can paste a key in there. So I don't want to like go into too much detail on that, but yeah, I pasted a key into there. There we go. Yeah. So we got that. So that's where I'm at. I commissioned it. I commissioned a new one. It says it's ready. I think it was this one here. What other thing did I change? I think I changed, like, there's a thing on there like, hey, do you want to like configure something with it? And I was like, go for it. But I don't know what it's going to be doing exactly. HBA, host-based access. So I hit the configure host-based access. I don't know if that will do anything. Anyways. Yeah. Host-based access. So I gotta deploy it again. It's not deployed. It's ready to be deployed. I can hit like allocate. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Allocate it. I don't know necessarily what that does. It could be doing nothing. What my next thing I'm gonna do is like disable one of these. Maybe this is doing it, like having two NICs up at the same time. I'll see what I can do with that. I might have to have like another node, or I might have to have like another, like, I don't know, do something with it. All right, so I'm going to deploy it and I'll be right back. Oh, wait a second. Deploy to disk. Register as a MAAS KVM host. Try to enable kernel. We don't want to do any of these. Ubuntu. I might try doing like an older version of Ubuntu also. I might. So I'll be right back. It takes 2 seconds. I'm back. I just turned it on. I'm deploying it. Deploy. Let's see if it freaking ruins everything. Test CPU. I was at the movies today. Oh, nice. Hello. The movies. AWR, what the fuck? So, it's deploying it. Really? Oh, yeah. I mean, like, I didn't watch him a lot, CK. I had to think about that. I was like, talk about my cock for a little bit. I was just like, what? It's like, be gone, perverts. I didn't really watch him a lot. I'm not like a big like debate watcher or anything like that. But I knew that he organized a lot of stuff, right? And he like was major player, and like he was really good at organizing and getting people together, and also like running the front lines. I watched this one thing with Megan Kelly, and I can play it here. I know a lot of people don't like this kind of shit, but I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. But bookmarks. There we go. Conversation, like he is a lot like how I was 15 years ago.
Go to amongst young people for conservative values.
I shouldn't say that. I don't know exactly. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. All right, let's see where this is going. It still says deploying. That's not good. That is not good. I'm going to have to take a look at it. It's booting from that. Storage configuration cannot be modified unless the machine is ready. Yeah. We're doing it, baby. It's not good that it's still like deploying. I'm going to go look at it real quick. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. It's working now. It was just a blank screen. I just don't understand. It was sitting there with a blank screen. Idle animation. Never let violence or the veil of threats push you into a cave. I live in a cave. I can't change the world. Don't let them change yours. Yeah. Yeah, you don't want that, man. You don't want that, baby. Okay, so now it's loading the shit. It should do it like immediately, right? This is all in another room. I don't know if anybody else saw this. Hopefully this is not a DP. Okay, it's not. This is my NAS. NAS. Whew, that was awesome. There's nothing in here. This is where the Pal World server is. Loading shit. The things that I say. This is my router. This here is a switch. This is a 2.5 gigabit switch. My MAAS, MAAS, is this little mini PC right here. Right there. Right there. Right here, right now. Da 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 da. More of that. This is another computer that I got. That's that one computer again. MAAS. So I'm trying to boot this one up here. This one on the bottom. It's giving me a headache. This whole thing, I want to punch it in the face. Configuring OS. It takes a little while to do. First configuration takes a while. I try to get SSH into it and it just hangs. It just hangs. I don't know if I should reboot my DHCP server here. Ayo. Let me close this. And close this. Oh, I was just getting cultured in Pippa's room. Oh my gosh. I saw part of it. And then I stopped. Well, I'll get there like really late. I really want to get this fucking thing to work. I was hoping earlier today, actually yesterday. Did I try this yesterday? Yeah, I was hoping, I think I did try this a little bit yesterday. I was hoping yesterday I'd be fucking already like setting up a development. You know? Setting up development. Yeah. I should like have these mirror each other a bit. That's what I should do. Have like two 1070s on each of them, a 1080 Ti and a oh, what's it called? Another thing, Bob. That Frontier. Man, I'm looking at one of these things like real hard on eBay. But like is it this? It's something like this. Yeah. But it comes from China. Comes with a fan on it. What are all these like GPUs doing in China? That's my question. China. Thing game gamma hig. What? Instinct. It's an MI50, 32 gigabytes of ramming speed. And it's a little old. But the 30, it doesn't have like the matrix instructions in it. Rebooting. Thingamajig. 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 I didn't know. Okay, I didn't know if I should do like zone spaces, like if that shit would help. You start just like when you can't figure something out, you start just like testing everything. I'm thinking there might be a firewall issue. Maybe. I'm thinking. It's rebooting. How long has it been rebooting? Rebooting. Tell me what's going on. Logs. Okay. Request boot. I think it's done rebooting. I mean, like it's rebooting, but it's like I'm getting information back. Commands. The more, yeah, check out this. So I made this thing here, right? And I said, make the internet matrix style cyber themed super highway background. And that's what it gave me. I think I did a pretty good job. That was like first try. First one, I said like, I didn't have like background, and it gave me this, which is okay. But like, I didn't want a character in it. Heck yeah, it's almost like Bunny Girl. Is that like a jacket? Not too bad. I like how it's just like, things just kind of just get weird. It's like, what are you drawing here? It's just like, I'll just kind of half-ass it a bit. You getting cultured here too? I need to learn how to make an animation. Supposedly you can make like animations with this. Yeah. Yeah. Animation. Full animation. How many is a full animation? Okay. Like we can do like a new one. VO3. Well, I want to do it on here. Eight seconds. I don't even want, I want like a 1 second animation. That's what I want. Let me like save this. Oh, wait a second. Let's see where this is at. Deployed. It's deployed, baby. All right. It's deployed. We got this. This here. Cyberpunk magical girl. You could cyber my punk any day, baby. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna try to SSH into it like this. And it's Ubuntu. It should be Ubuntu. Ubuntu. And it just hangs. All right. It just hangs. It's like it's retarded. Let me try it from here. Ubuntu, Ubuntu, Ubuntu. SSH Ubuntu 192.168.55.60. Okay. Of course. See, it should have did that. It should have did that, and it didn't do that. I don't know what's going on. Maybe there's like a... Maybe like... Okay. I got in. So I got in through my MAAS server. Yay! Authorized keys. Let me see what authorized keys there are. So I was thinking like maybe it was like on my dated daily driver machine. Okay, they're both in there. All right. Oh my gosh. One's like absolutely huge, the other one's like small. Yeah. One's huge. Inner tube is an arm. Here, I'll put it around my neck. It's my inner tube choker. It's almost like those like old style like aristocrats from like the 1700s. Yeah. Yeah. Have you tried the Chardonnay? Oh, not it's not for your kind of filth. Bro, you got an inner tube on your fucking neck. Oh yeah, whatever. You just wish you could put an inner tube on your neck like me. This is called fashion. Aristocrat, yes. This is called fashion. I'm happy that I'm in here. Ow! Don't hate the fashion. Yeah. Fashion's key. Here's my dinner. Here's your dinner, Lauren. Thank you. Update immediately. I don't know. I guess I can do the updates. I don't want to do them right now. Well, let's just see. Here we go. Sudo apt update, y'all. Yeah, you don't have to. What's nice about this? You don't have to put your password in. There's like no password. It's like just does it. It just does it. What the fuck is this shit? What the fuck is this? What? I've never seen this before in my life. I have never seen this before in all my life. What the fuck is this? This is serious. The W blah, 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 blah is configured multiple times, indicates a specific repository entry in the main component is listed in APT sources configuration files. Well, I didn't fucking do it. I didn't fucking do it. Oh my gosh. W. Multiple times MAAS deployed. Oh, let's see what this fucker says. Same version and everything. I confirm blah 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 are the same. I can't understand why this multiple definition occurs. The issue doesn't occur in other Ubuntu version images. I confirmed the custom pre-seed files, but it doesn't modify. Yeah, it's just empty file. There's a new file format now for apt. From the source indicates dev with the no defaults to this format. So at the end of that, Cloud.init creates a new file instead and replaces image source configurations. This was back in January. This is back in January. Solution has not been made. Okay. I'll continue to watch the bug report. MAAS sources is not in Deb 822. So is there a way to like fix this? Just empty the file. Okay. I guess I gotta do this. Not failure. Yeah. I hate warnings, though. Warnings cause issues. Warnings cause issues. Do I have to do a sudo nano? That's funny. I don't have to put my password in. I forgot the main reason why I like doing this MAAS thing. Can I just, I'm going to do this. Empty it? Do I have to empty it? Here we go. Let me just do this. Who likes to fucking empty shit? Yeah. Sudo apt update. Uh-oh. There we go. Oh, so much better. So I'll still having issues here. Was it Uwu? Uwu? UFW? Uwu. It's Ufu. I was close. I was close. Is there like, is this a command? That should be a command. I should make a command. Hello. Should make a command that goes like you put do that and it does something. Yeah. So I guess I gotta do like, is my firewall UFW? Is there status? Script. No one. Okay. Oh my gosh. It says run this script. You know what that tells me? That tells me this is Python and it's trash. Hey, let's put everything inactive. Am I just open to the world? Ew. Oh my gosh. Is there any allows? Enable. Is active and enabled on system startup. What is it? App list. Cups. I don't know. It feels disabled. Right? It was disabled, right? Okay, let's see this. Oh my goodness. All right. Let's see if we cut this off. Still connected. Firewall. Wait a second. UFW, okay. UFW. What's allowing me in here, right? Okay. Allow SSH with EFW. What the fuck? Is it EFW or? Oh, fuck. I forget. UFW. You should have known what I was talking about, bitch. Stupid AI. Such as you have to allow. You can restrict it. I might have to like do this, like reset the PC. Yeah. All right. You stupid son of a bitch. All right. What if it like... let's see. Let's exit this. Okay, I can do that. Okay. Now I gotta exit this. Okay. There's 2 zombie processes. You're a zombie process, bitch. Okay, wait a second. Let me go back into here. Ping. I don't know what my IP address is. 152. Okay, it pings it. All right. This pings it. It just gets fucking hung up on this. Like, why? Why? Ask why. Bud dry. Okay. Okay. The main thing is on the same machine 2 times. These are 2 different machines. Right now, this here, I'm in my MAAS. I SSH into my MAAS PC. My MAAS server. It's not on there. Is it here? No. My MAAS server. It's not there. Is right there. Right there. That's my MAAS server. I'm trying to log into this server. You can't see the tiny bit text. Well, so when I was in here, can't see text. Can't C. What the fuck? Text. So what I did, I SSH'd in my MAAS server. That's us. It's like beep, 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 beep. And then I SSH'd in my MAAS server to that one server, and I got into it. Yay. Because I had to add the key. They have my key in there. And then this. This here. When I'm in my thing, this is my daily driver. My mouse is touching this. Wee, 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 wee. This is a terminal for my daily driver. And I try to do it here directly. Doesn't work. It doesn't even like, I don't even think I have it in my one thing. Known hosts. Let's go to my known hosts. .ssh. Holy fuck! How many? Oh no! Should I not? Should I have that? Crap. That should just be like public keys, right? Holy fuck. They're so small there. Okay. How does it know which one's which? Yeah. Should I like make this? I'm going to do a test here. I'm going to do a test here. Rename that old-ish. All right, so I have like a known host, like known hosts. I think I made a file. Where's the delete? Oh, you didn't. New document. Do I really have to like what? Oh my gosh. You think I'll make it? Let's just do this. It just doesn't do shit. It doesn't do shit. It just gets hung up. Yeah. Let's rename this. All right, so we can get into this. Yay. Eggsy. Yeah. That's the next one. And okay, I tried it with both of these and I was running the same issue. Yeah. Be the router? No. No, it's not the router. It sees I can ping it. I can ping it. I can SSH into other things and blah, 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 blah. Yeah. All right. What's this? Pebblesworth. Let's quit this. Quit. Restart. I just don't understand because I was able to SSH into my one machine. What the fuck is going on here? I blame AI. And I checked the known hosts in there and everything's in there. I guess like another thing I could test. I can make like an SSH key like on one of my Windows machines here and see if I can log into it through that. Right? Well, I have to, yeah, I'll have to add it into like the keys and shit. It'll be a slight headache. Just a slight headache. Remember I was having like a hard time before. Well, this is going into it. I just don't know. Wait a second. Uh, 252. Okay, I got into that, right? I'm trying this. Okay. There we go. We got into it. All right. So we got into it through the MAAS. Oh my God. Okay, let's try to make another key. Let's make another key and put it in there. Do I have multiple keys? Ooh, maybe that's it. Let me check to see that. Maybe I don't. Maybe. Do I have multiple keys in here? I just got this. What are the authorized keys? 0 bytes. Here's the thing. I'm thinking, should I just not even bother this and do a new key? I know the key fucking works for to get into here because you need to have a key. You need to have this key, whatever's here, to get into here, right? Okay. SSH, multiple keys. Yes, you have multiple SSH keys in your .sh folder. Use them to server purposes or accounts. This can only be done to manage separate identities for personal and project works or for different. Okay, file to specify which key, private key to use for particular host server. Okay. User get listening and editing. So how does it know, like, what the fuck? Okay. You have to have a config. I wonder if I did that. Let me see. Maybe I fucked up somewhere. Because I think I like typed it in and I hit Control C. Like I did like SSH. Like something. What does it get? Generate, whatever. And then I just hit Control C. I wonder if that did it. Okay, let's go into SSH config. Is it like in here? There's no config. Huh. Can I like option like SSH man? I need a man. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Oh my gosh, look at this shit. Holy fuck, how many lines is there? All right. Is there a way to print this? I guess technically I printed it to the screen here. Okay. A disables forwarding authentication. What the fuck is that shit? Generate SSH key. Okay. Okay. Q. Ed 209. Okay, I want to effed up in case of F up. There we go. Did I get them all? I didn't. There we go. There we go. All right. I think I'm gonna super fuck this up. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Ed 209. How does it know which one I pick? Okay. All right, let's do two things. I'm going to upload this to here. I can't show you all. You go to users and you go to like edit, and then like there's a thing that says SSH keys on the side. Actually, I can show you that part. You click on this, and yeah, it shows your SSH keys. And you hit like upload, and it'll upload it. There you go. And oh, there you go, like import SSH key. It's on the top right. And you go to upload, and you got to copy and paste it. Yeah. I'm going to do that. Okay, rename. Wait a second. I got to open with. I'll do Visual Studio Code. Oh yeah, baby. All right, copy. Hell yeah. And I'm gonna upload it there. Import SSH key. Oh yeah, baby. All right, let's go back to the machines. So it can be kind of like a pain in the ass to do this, but fuck it, chickens in a bucket. How do I do this? Now I can just like reload all this shit. Or wait a second. Can I just copy and paste it through here? I think I can just do that. All right, let me hide this. Like, I think I could just go like this, like cd.ssh, and the stuff in here, authorized keys. It already has authorized keys in there, so like, I'm gonna like nano into that. All right, so I'm gonna hide this. And then I'm going to put that one piece of shit in there. All right. I don't know why it does like that one thing. So, if this doesn't work, then we're going to try another PC. And then I'm going to take the liberty to throw this piece of shit out the window. If this doesn't work. All right. I gotta go into that one thing. All right. All right, so I copied and I did nano and copy pasted in there. Yeah. Now I'm going to be a little tarded. And maybe I can just do this. No. Okay. Choose a key to SSH. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Well, I guess I can do that later. If this works, we'll put that in there. All right. I guess it's ID ed 209. We'll just copy this. And Ubuntu at it's still fucking what the fuck. I think there's something going on with like the host, known hosts. Is SSH in your gnome shell? Is it because I'm Xorg? That shouldn't matter, right? SSH is SSH. Shouldn't matter because I got into here. Does the same happen when you SSH and do both from Windows? I have not done any SSH from Windows. We're gonna do that right now. We're gonna do that right now, baby. We'll have to do some moving back and forth. I just wonder what the fuck is going on. I don't think it's a firewall. I'm not even seeing like known hosts or anything, and I can fucking log into this. Like, what the fuck? All right, let's go into my Windows machine. My gaming PC. I want to get directly into it, right? So I can use VS Code. Gaming PC. Don't look. Doxed. I was like 10 years younger there. Yeah. Probably like 12 years younger. Now I'm an old man. Do I have a key in here? CMD, bitches, SSH. Where's my... Does it tell you like... All right. What's new in Chrome? This dick. Anyways, SSH key location. Windows. Username, your name, .ssh. Users. LS. DIR. Those are directories though, right? Cache, VS Code. I guess I don't have a SSH. Okay, so let's create an SSH in here. Keygen. Ed 209. Wait a second. Yeah, do that. All right. All right. So here's like the shitty way to do it. The non-command line way to do this. Holy fuck. The pub. We get the pub. I got a new like thing I got to put in there. Open new window. Okay. We'll just throw this in here, I guess. There we go. Authorized keys. Wee, bam. All right. Because I got to do this. I got to go back to this one. Unless I connect the SMB and all that shit. I don't want to fucking do that right now. I am too brain dead for that. But what I will do is go into here. Wait a second. I'll nano into this and then I'm going to copy and paste it. All right. All right. Where's my SMB? So now I'm going to go to my SMB. SMB. There. All right. So I'm going to double click, open that, and then I'm going to copy paste the fucking shit in there. Right. So, okay. Open. 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 Open with. Where's Notepad or something? Wait a second. No, wait a second. Visual Studio Code. Yeah. Copy. I'm going to close this. Bye-bye. I copied that, right? Let's hope that I copied that. Okay, paste this. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Okay, we're cool. We're cool. Alrighty then. That should be good. Now let's see if we can get in there through my handy dandy Windows PC. If you can pull this off, that means you're as physically healthy as a younger person. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm going to pull something off. Oh, yeah. SSH Ubuntu at 192.168.55.60. Yes. I'm in there. Look at that. Look at that, Jack. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on here? I need hardcore drugs. I blame Ubuntu too. I'm about ready to fucking throw Ubuntu against the wall. Do I have my, where's my Coke? Where's my Coke at? I am like so frustrated right now. This is worse than trying to program a microcontroller with a circuit in it. And you don't know if the circuit's bad or the fucking code's bad. Ooh, ooh. Fucking Windows got in there, bitch. Okay, so it's not MAAS's problem. I think I'm gonna close this. I think I'm gonna kill something. Yeah. Okay. Can I make SSH verbose? Port, tag, host port, local run. Something's going wrong with known hosts. Okay. What if I did like a... I think I just did way too many exclamation points. Maybe this will fix the SSH. Whoa, oh. Unpack this bitch. What the fuck? Okay, well, it's a bunch of NVIDIA shit. I blame NVIDIA. Is there a way to make SSH become verbose? Verbose. There is. It's cheap by using the /v SSH command. The verbose can be increased by adding more v flags. So, oh. Okay. All right. So I didn't need to make that one thing, right? I think I'm going to delete this. I think I'll be fine. Let's delete this one. Bye. There we go. And then like here. I blame everything but myself. Like, what is this bash history? Holy shit. All right. In case I fuck up, part 2. All right. Okay, SSH, VVV, Ubuntu, okay. Expand known host. Set socket. Okay. Just getting fucking stuck here. What if I remove SSH and bring it back? Where's known host 2? We don't have known host 2. Okay. SSH. Do they write this in fucking Rust? Okay, debug won't include. Huh. I don't even know what the fucking search for this. TOS? What is that? Terms of service? Set socket TOS, set socket 3 IP TOS 0x0. Oh, what is TOS? Hangs looking and mentions. Okay. Okay. Hangs while connecting, mentions TOS. Type of service. What the fuck? All right. Common workaround to prevent SSH from setting the TOS field by configuring what? Is this what it does with other things? Okay, wait. Let's do the verbose in my MAAS PC real quick and see what that says, right? So let's exit this. We do this. We'll do the -VVV. And we'll make this bigger. Ooh, ooh. Holy shit, that's way different. Okay. It says like the same thing here. Hold on a second. Can I take this out? Fuck you, bitch. Why can't I take you out? Ah. a second. That's why I need a side by side. All right, let's grab this. Copy. Hold on 1 second. Make sure I don't have any. Expose my dirty laundry. New text file. Paste. And new text file. There we go. We'll be fine here. I'll show it again. My dirty prawn. You dirty prawn, you. All right. I don't need to go like really too deep in this shit. We'll just go to this. All right. There we go. It says no match files, blah, blah, blah. Resolve host name. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. These look the same. Expand known. Clearing. Entering. Connect. Connect. Connection establish. And this says connect to address port 22. Huh. Set sock. They're all like doing the same thing. I think it's having a hard time like looking into user known hosts. It's just not throwing back an error. That's what I think. That's what I think's happening. It's not, we're not seeing the error. This must have been right in Python. He must have wrote this shit in Python. No wonder this is all fucked up. Burp. Because it's not telling me like, hey, this is like a known host, like it's blah 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 blah. But the thing is, like, I'm going into that one program too. Like, did I fat finger something and fuck it up? Like the known hosts. Okay. Remove a known host. R. Okay. Specify a custom path to the known host file. Let's try doing this. I think I fat fingered it. I don't know. I remember removing it, and it was kind of weird how I hit it last time when I was removing it. But then it worked, and I was like, okay, whatever. Can I clear known hosts? Known hosts, Linux. Yeah. I want to clear them all. Clear all of them. You can temporarily bypass a host check for a single connection. Okay, let's see if this works. So -O. You fucking bitch. Did you just hallucinate that shit? I think it like hallucinated that. What happens if I delete my known host file? Okay. I don't know what this is. Sorry. I don't know if I can show these, or I guess I could, but I don't want to. Fucking bitch. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Remove them all, baby. I have no idea what this shit is. I'm gonna fucking delete my known host file. I'm gonna put it where we'll never find it. In my documents. No. Home. Nah. Videos. Too much videos. Fuck, dude. Desktop. Oh yeah, it's not gonna find it there. New folder. Known host location. What was I doing? No. Take your known hosts and get the fuck out of here, bitch. That too. You will never come to my town again. All right. Ooh. It's not even fucking looking for it. What the fuck, Dio? No, this is all wired, baby. Remember, I can connect everywhere. Wired. Why is it that I can get into one PC, but I can't get into this? Oh, we're going to do this again. 252. What's up with just .60? What? I can't get in there now? What? Why am I in here now? What? 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 What is going on? Wait a second. What did I try to get? Wait a second. Wait a second. That's why. Yeah. What the fuck is this? Oh my gosh. Turn off the verbose. Turn off the verbose. Exit. Oh shit. Exit. 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 Okay. Okay. It got in there, right? It got in there. It got in there. Is it my... Is there like some port I don't know that I have closed up and like... It did the 20. Right? Did... One last time. Okay, you can try. Okay. Dash O IPQOS equals none. Ubuntu. This is like really so fucking weird. This is so fucking weird. This is so fucking weird. My NAS is better. You found this. Oh. UFW. I wonder if there's like a file somewhere. Okay. Can I like disable now? I'm gonna quit this shit and bring it back up. For some odd reason, I cannot SSH into this one specific IP address. I don't know why. And I can do it. I can't do it from this PC here, but I can SSH into it from other PCs. All right. What was that one thing? Ah, fuck it. I said I couldn't find those files, right? Like etc SSH. SSH. Oh. What's this SSSD? Oh. What the fuck? What? 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 Okay, I'm gonna go in here real quick. Hold on a second. Oh. There's nothing in there. It's like, yeah. So can I like jump? I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna fucking jump, chat. I'm gonna jump. All right. Don't make me use Windows Linux. Don't make me fucking use Windows Linux. I'll do it. I'll fucking do it. I'm not doing SMB right now, man. I'm SSHing it into like into an AI PC. It's gonna be a developer PC basically. I'll be developing shit on it. I'm fucking like clueless of what the fuck's going on. I'm canceling my firewall. No, it's Ubuntu has me pissed. I don't want to go to Red Hat though. They're a fucking bunch of lunatics over there. They're a bunch of furries. The furry choker. I do not look like a fucking mascot for a basketball team. It's like furries are literally mascot, like basketball mascot fetish freaks. Oh man, I could have been the fucking mascot for the Minnesota Beavers. It's like, what the fuck, man? They look they don't even try to like look like, I'm sorry if you're any furries out there, I'm sorry, but this is an honest critique to furrydom. Don't make it look like a fucking mascot. I think I could get, and then like name it like Summer moon, like whatever. Ow! Summer moons howl. Ow! I like me some anime, like, what are those, like, animal-like girls, you know? Even with the fucking teeth and all that shit. You know, I'm down. They're humanoid enough. Monkeys are not humanoid enough. You sick fucks. Anyways. To each their own. I just don't understand like why this gets bigger too. Work. In case you want to review it later, although I already saw the solution didn't work for you. Okay, let's go into this. Let's go into Discord. I don't know why I got like 2 Discords. Thank you. Okay. I am using Ubuntu. What the fuck is this? Like, close this. I like log directly into it from Windows. I can log into like other servers, right? I haven't tried like a brand new server yet. But for some odd reason, like it's this PC. The verbose is exactly the same as mine. All right. I'm using 22.04 version, and I'm trying to SSH into the VM Linux server of Azure. I succeeded in doing so from another computer over port 22, and now I'm trying from the Ubuntu 22.04. What I've tried using methods mentioned, but without success. I tried using IP public instead of VM address, didn't work. Reinstall SSH lib, didn't help either. Because I was thinking about like doing that too, like uninstalling SSH and then bring it back. According to this, also it doesn't seem to be a problem connecting to DNS yet. I got this log. Blah blah blah. Found out that the issue related to my router manages quality of service. Check this. See, this guy's going through a router, right? Like out to the cloud. I'm like in the same I'm not even like going out. Like I'm like pinging it directly. Okay. All right. It's not a DNS problem. Okay. Does it have my IP address blocked or something? Okay, let's do this. Four years ago. I have a Linux machine, right? Blah, 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 blah. What the fuck is this shit? What is HD? Let's point to some possible delay causes. There's no delay. It doesn't even fucking like look into the known hosts. If you change your host name recently, update your etc hosts. All right. Let's see what that is. Let's see if that Ubuntu has etc hosts. All right. Excuse me. etc hosts. Is it hosts? I guess I could just say like shit. Not that. Not that. Okay, what's this? What the fuck is this shit? All right. What the fuck? Okay. I think before I did have like I don't know what this shit is. Okay. Let's exit. Host name. That's me. I didn't change my name of my host. If that's what it's saying. All right, bitch. Bro. Server1foodbar.com. Found this answer too. What? Okay, PHP, HTML, yeah. Oh, yeah. What the fuck? Seven answers. I don't know what that is. Okay. How many windows do you need for a Klondike bar? All right. I gotta close these windows. Bye-bye, bye-bye. A lot of them are just like Operam these nuts. Ansible hardware. Bye. Open source BMC these nuts. Okay. You think Grok could help? I can't SSH into a certain host from, damn, how do I word this? From one machine. Ah, fuck. How to pick up chicks, classic. Yeah. Oh, yeah. My SSH skills is not impressing the ladies. The ladies are not impressed with my SSH skills, okay? Something's wrong. Something is fucking wrong. I pressed the wrong button. That's why I'm like really big. I don't even know how to fucking word this. This is so fucking complicated. Like so specific in my issue. Okay. I have a host server. Can't SSH into host server. It seems it doesn't even check the known host file. It seems SSH doesn't even check the known hosts file. Okay. It's caused by configuration settings that explicitly direct the known host data to a non-existent. Well, and it's just for like a known host file. Wait a second. Okay. Can I like expand this? Now, okay, wait a second. It will check it. Try pinging the firewall. Oh yeah, I can ping it. I can ping it. I can ping the son of a bitch. I can ping like everything. I just turned off the firewall. It's like, it's this. And the thing is, it's just this one IP address. I can go into another IP address and go into it. And it'll check the host file. But for some odd reason, and I've changed my key also. I've changed my key. And it was just like, it won't like search it. Okay. There's an issue where SSH appears not to check the known host file, can be caused by configuration settings for any of the such directs, but root SSH config. Can't from Ubuntu. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. It could be that. Maybe it's blocking my Mac. It shouldn't be though. Okay. Most likely caused by SSH client configuration where a system-wide or per user has been modified to disable. Oh, no. Oh. It checks the known host file for other IP addresses, but for the certain one, it just hangs. SSHing, yeah. H seems to hang until it doesn't connect. Seems to hang before it checks the host file. Hosts. Okay. There's a known host in here now, right? This like remade a known host. Yeah, I remade a known hosts. Yeah. Several underlying issues, network configuration or host key conflicts. Maximum transmission unit size can be too large for the network path. This is... It doesn't fucking know. I've done the verbose, bitch. The problem stems from the... I've done a fresh key. Firewalls and intrusions prevent systems like fail to ban may block. Yeah, but wouldn't it just like block? I removed known hosts. I fucking like redid it. This is like all in the, you can remove the using SSH. I've removed it. It's not in there. Let's go to Google. SSH doesn't seem to check known hosts for a singular for one IP address. But works with the other ones. There we go. Okay. It does. Verify the file exists. It's there. Will strictly enforce the host key verification known as known host while allow connections without prior key knowledge. It also bypasses the security check. Check host IP settings. Host key hashing. Let's try this. Let's try this. This is so fucking stupid. It hangs on that one too? Motherfucker. All right. You son of a bitch. It can ping into it. You want to try? Okay, let me show you. Ping. I am fucking going to use a different MAC address. All right. See? I think, what if it's on the server side? I thought I just like redid it though. Okay. Okay. Check this. All right. Oh shit. All right. What's my IP address is what the fuck is this shit? I give this a 1155. Disconnect. Turn off the Wi-Fi. Turn it off. There we go. So this is my 2.5. All right. Gonna stop me now. All right. Come on, let's do this. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Okay. I'm gonna. All right, I'm gonna unhook this. Watch this, bitches. Hello, thanks for the follow. Adding sudo? No, I don't need to add sudo. Deep breaths. I need some nitrous oxide. And then I can take some deep breaths. Me getting frustrated. Made someone follow. They followed just to tell me to breathe. Have you seen that? Have you seen that thing? Like, guy punches computer monitor. But guy punches monitor. What is this? Oh man, I hated this shit.
They did so narrow at the bottom.
Oh my. There's no way that was real. No way that was real. Hey, that's a famous dude. I'm gonna get. That guy's like on SNL, right?
through there.
That's too easy. Come on, break it.
Man,
Yeah, you was gonna break it. All right, you was gonna fuck my fucking thighs up.
I sure was.
don't,
Indent that shit through.
don't.
What's up?
Oh my gosh. Oh, I have this. I have this laptop. That's so fake right there. I have that laptop. This laptop was so cool, except for the fucking hinges on it. And the GPU could have been better. It was like, it had the 860 and only had 2 gigabytes of RAM. I couldn't even play like Doom 2015 for some odd reason. Yeah, I had that laptop. Okay. All right, let's go. That was so fake, dude. It looked real. All right. Command, but same command. Did you put this on the thing? No. Yeah. Still working with my 2011 Toshiba. I just don't know what's going on. I'm starting to think it's like host side. All right. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. I am going to, this is ready. I'm going to launch this bad boy up, right? And we're going to try to get into this one from here. And if it fucks up from here, then I don't know, man. I just don't know any longer. We'll try your one thing. All right, so 262, 264. This is 62 and 63, right? And configuration, it's manual. It's ready, right? Storage is good. Storage is good. Got that all set up. Network seems okay. Network seems okay. Let's we got to do this. I got to like before I do that, how users. So I got to edit this. You go to SSH keys and you place them in there. So I'll have to grab that one SSH key. It's in here, the public one, because now I can use my Windows PC to get into it. Do I have another one open? Okay, so let's open new tab, open new window, open new window, open new window, open new window. And it was not there any longer. What the fuck, Dio? Did I delete it? Did I fucking delete it? No. I fucking deleted it? I think I deleted it. I done deleted it. Because I don't think it's in the... I think I snuck it in there. All right, let's put that in there again. I done... It doesn't see it any longer. Wait a second. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. All right, we're going to put this back in here. There we go. It's my Windows PC. It works on that. So you got to throw these things in there. Yeah. So I'll hit the... Hey! All right. I got to hide it. I don't know what I can expose. What can I expose? Select source, upload. Open with these nuts. Okay. Copy. You're here. I can see. Import SSH key. All right. So let me get out of this. So when you're in there, you know, in the settings and users, and you get the edit, it stores all the MAAS key, all the keys that you can use. It'll put them on those like those deployed host machines automatically. So you don't have to freaking copy and paste them over all the freaking time. Like I already have it in there. So it's kind of nice like that. So yeah. There we go. System engineer travel 2 days, incorporated has a reset button, even when they especially asked to the technicians if they press the button, but they know they didn't. You know what? The technicians might have, but it didn't work that one time. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Like, I don't fucking do anything. Like, it won't run on the first time I boot something up, or maybe the second time. I don't fucking change anything. Nothing. And it fucking like, yeah, let's do this. You know what? That's such a smart idea. I don't change anything. And I boot it again and it fucking works. Or like, I'll have stuff configured in my BIOS, and for some odd reason, Lord only knows what the fuck happened, but things will change. Like my NAS, like I had it set up under UEFI, right? And for some odd reason, it got changed to CSM, and that's why I couldn't log into it. That's why I like wouldn't boot into it, and it took me fucking forever. And I was like, there's no way, like. When I like was going into the BIOS, I looked at it, I was like, CSM, and I was like, did I fucking install this using CSM, like legacy boot and everything? I'm like, oh, fuck, I can't believe I did that. Right? Because I just trusted that my settings were the same, or like they didn't get messed with. But some odd reason they fucking changed. And I have no clue why. No clue. What if I reboot it? What if I reboot it and it works? I don't know what happened. Okay. There was like an issue though. Like for some odd reason, like my, and I thought I had like my network stack turned off and everything. But for some odd reason, like the 10 gigabit Ethernet card that I was using had like PXE in it, and like my NAS, my MAAS MAAS server was trying to like, you know, do like a network boot over it, and yeah, and so it was like hanging on like a endless PXE boot thing. Thank goodness it did not like start wiping the hard drives and shit and like installing like in a Ubuntu server. Because I would have lost like, I don't know, 20 terabytes of data. I would have been crying. I would have been crying. Crying, I say. Ah. And too bad, like, storage is so expensive. You know, it might hang here. It takes a while to load up. But it took me like a whole day to, well, it didn't take me a whole day. Like, I took a nappy poo. I was like, oh, I got to get my NASA work. I took a nappy poo between like 9 and 10. And then like at 10 o'clock, I was like, I better check this. I was like, I'm just going to change. I did like a couple resets. I was like, I'm just going to change the CSM to like, I'm going to turn off the CSM and see if there's like, maybe I didn't have CSM and maybe this somehow changed. I don't know. And yeah. What the fuck, Dio? Yeah. And so like 11 o'clock, I was like, should I stream now? Nah, I'll just fucking fuck around. So I goon for the next 4 hours. I'm just kidding. I was like fucking around with like this. Where's my credit? My credit's gone. My credit's gone. App image. Open new window. Attention, Mr. Herman. Attention, Mr. Herman. Do I want to discard it? All right, we'll just bring it back up. There we go. Yeah, we'll just save this. This will be background images. There we go. I really didn't do much. I was mostly like just watching fucking Pippa. And someone said they had their birthday, so I got them a birthday thing. Is it just hanging? I think it's just hanging. I might have to hit the reset button again. You're going to lose your nuclear boot. Oh, yeah, that'd be crazy. That'd be crazy, dog. So for some odd reason, it's deciding not to do this. Yeah. What if I do it here? It just doesn't fucking like it. That was nice. Okay, so something's going on. I'm going to hit the reset button. I'll be right back. I'm back. It's finally rebooting into it. Dude. Do I have a go-to? Nothing for that. They're like, no one like... This is like fringe fucking issues. Okay, we got in there. All right, let's see if we can go in there this way. Of course not. All right. Let's do this. All right, so this one here, I don't know if I should just like reset this one or like completely reset it. What if I commission it? SSH. It's ready. I'll do this. We'll recommission this. HBA. What's HBA? Yeah, let's go to let's do that. All right. All right. Actions. Okay, it's commissioning it. I'm going to turn it on. Let's commission it. Times like these, I wish I had an IPMI. I wish I had an IPMI, baby. So it's commissioning it. The commissioner. The commish. You know what the commish is. That was like a fun fucking show. Gathering information. Oh, man. It was like 90s drama. Police drama. The commish. From 1991 to 1996. Tony Scully, the police commissioner of a city where solutions often require creativity. Tony's calmness and intellect are far more useful to him than guns or brute force in his fight against crime. You're a baby. A baby? Wait a second. Who was that? Who was that? Oh. I thought that was somebody. What's the theme song? I remember that. Always forgot his pencil. Oh, he played fucking. He was Groot, right? He was Ben Grimm. Family Guy. He probably played the commissioner in Family Guy. Roughnecks, the Starship Troopers Chronicles. He was a soldier. Vin Diesel was Groot. No way. No way. Hotel Cocaine. Where is that place at? So is BMF, is that bad motherfucker? And BAMF is badass motherfucker? Okay, it's ready. You're gonna hit the hey, but I left the second link in the Discord with the 2 flags that you might want to try it. Hey, I appreciate it, Analytic Mind. I appreciate it big time, yo. Chat's my second brain. Chat is my second brain. It is my main brain. All right, we're going to allocate it. Ayo. Deploy to disk. Choose your options. I don't know. You can make a KVM host in here. I might do it. Should I do that for this? Fuck, I'm not going to do it. Not going to do it. Deploy machine. I got to go back out there and turn it on. I wish I had like a remote control that would turn it on. And like a camera. That would be fucking clutch. Ed O'Neill is this shoe salesman. Don't fuck with the salesman. Okay, so I went back there, and I got these Frontier AMD GPU. I got 2 of these, right? Yeah. There it is. Images. So I touched it And it's hot as fuck. The fan's running, but it's like not cooling the son of a bitch. I think we're gonna have to do something about that. I don't like that very much. All right, so let's. Do you have a stabilizer? Stabilizer. I don't know. I don't what. What's a stabilizer? So I don't think they have like a fan curve for it. If I remember correctly. AMD fan control Linux. GPU fan control Linux. It seems like there's many some of them that are rather old. I've recently had a nightmare with NVIDIA and Bootnu with my old GPU. Yeah, pretty good. Blah 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 blah. My new is cool and actually pretty impressive compared to the old card. However, the default profile is too loud for me to tolerate. The test software, blah 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 blah. Okay. Seems like you need to be able to create a. It has a GUI. What the fuck? Lacked so much with NVIDIA. What the fuck? Huh. I don't need like a digital one. I don't need like, I just need to do like a. Is there a fucking. I don't think it has a custom fan curve. What? All right, let me do this. I want to ROCM. Okay. AMD. Is there like a AMD SMI and an SMI for AMD cards? Is there a system for tools AMD GPUs? The AMD SMI's command line. Okay. ROCM SMI. Okay. ROCM SMI dash SMI. Okay. Install ROCM. Printed 20. But what? There we go. Linux installation. If you're using ROCM, blah 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 blah. Okay, what is this? Okay. AMD GPU install. Okay. Workstation graphics. What? I don't want workstation. Groups? What the fuck? I am so confused here. GPUs, ROCM, GPU support. ROCM, GPU support. Please fucking work with my shit. What? Radeon. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's basically like the 7, right? Wait a second. There's no, oh no. Unsupported. The HIP runtime might continue to run applications for unsupported GPU, but pre-built RCM. Okay. Oh no. Does ROCM support Frontier cards? Frontier. I might have to change the holy shit. I don't know what the fuck all this shit is. RDNA 2. It's not RDNA. LLVM. What the fuck is that shit? I can't believe it doesn't support like Vega Frontier. Well, the Vega Frontier edition is based on Vega 10 architecture. AMD has drop support for the hardware. Although the RCM stacks may still run. All right. Support for Vega 10 architecture was last available at RCM. Can I get ROCM? How to install ROCM 4.5.2. An archive version is not available through standard methods for newer ROCM releases. Okay, that's fine. Shut the fuck up. I don't give a fuck. I need to cool these fucking cards. That's what I need to do. All right. Multi-version installation. Okay. You cannot install a single version and multi-version RCM package together on the same machine. What? Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can just do this. It's like fucking hot. I'm gonna shut down this computer. Sudo shutdown. There we go. And I'll get back to it later. Okay. Commissioning. The commish. All right. Unknown manual. It says it's deployed. Basically. Because it is cheap. Cheap. Can't go wrong with cheap. 62. It just doesn't fucking like me. It doesn't fucking like me. It doesn't like this PC. It doesn't like this PC. I don't know what's going on. I literally have no clue. I have no clue. It can go through this. It can go through this. Of my server? I don't know how to read it. I can go. Let me see if it printed something. There's Vent Cloud in it running config SSH. When did it do that? That was a little while ago. It did it through here. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna see what the monitor shows. I don't know what's going on. It's not showing anything. Just says connection's timed out. Got my SSH here. I got that. RSA, authorized keys, known hosts. Yeah, I pinged it, man. I ping. At 62. I'm pinging it. Like I just can't figure out what the fuck's going on. Try sudo. I'll try it. You literally don't. It's not doing shit. There has to be some firewall or something like that on this PC. For some odd reason, it's not wanting to fucking log into it. That's inactive. Okay. I don't know why it'll go into this one. It'll go into my MAAS, but it won't go into that one. And if I even change this shit. If I change the key. Fucking key. Where'd I put the keys? Okay, I put that known host location there. Where are the keys at? Where are the keys at? Everything's static, man. Everything's static. I could literally log into it from other PCs. It just won't do it from this one. I thought I had like a fucking other folder. All right. Let's delete these. Should I do known whole? Okay. WTF, bro. Let's do this. Boom. Authorize keys. I think I put this in everything. There we go. Do I have shared folders in the client PC? Like, I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I feel like I'm going insane. I feel like I'm going insane. Going insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Event log. This is the thing. I'm able to log on to it there. Okay. I can do it through here. It fucking makes no sense. Let's look at this thing. Flying after one country to another, I can't SSH to several of my DigitalOcean Ubuntu servers. However, I can still log in via console and SSH from one box to another. They're all in the same physical data center. There's no broken pipe though. The connection isn't particularly slow, but my bash shell is bash and still log in via console and the other network SSH. Nothing seems to be blocking the SSH connection since I see public key authorization take place. I don't know which pipe is being read and broken. I think it's just fucking PC. Middle box, NAT firewall or similar. We heard that. NAT boxes which cannot handle change in TOS during a TCP connection. The problem is that your case doesn't happen after the client indicates the TOS has changed. However, since there's a TCP dump, it doesn't show. What the fuck? If you try using the I don't know what this shit is. I don't use like a proxy. Resetting the router. I'm not going through. I'm like in the same connection. I'm not going through the router at all. I'm not going through the router. I am in the same network. Like I'm a .55 also. Like if config. I'm a .55 also. And mine's .152. Let me exit this. Exit this. Yeah, it's still not. I can shut off my fucking router, but I won't be able to stream. What? Tell me why the router, if you could tell me why the router has anything to do with this, then I'll fuck with it. But I can't see what the router has to do with it because I don't need a fucking router to get to my fucking, like I could turn off my router and SSH into any of these things because I have the net mask and everything set up. They're all static. I'm not going through a router. It's all connected to. Am I going through a router? Let's go into my router. Okay. There we go. What? Hold on a second. Is it root? Is it admin? Okay. No, it's not this one. So like a router, what a router does at its core, all it does is like a gateway. It routes packages from one network going to the other, to the best of my knowledge. Like I don't need a router. Only reason why I'm keeping it on right now is because my stream would quit. Because like I'm in a sub network right now. Yeah, I'm not going through into another network. I'm not going into another network. This is all, we're all in the same network. We're in the .55 192.168.55 subnet. I'm not directly connected. I have like a switch, right? It's unmanaged. Everything's like, most of my shit's unmanaged. And I'm pretty sure this is not going through. I might have like a port open into it. That's why I'm wanting to check to see if I maybe for some odd reason, I basically made like all my ports on the router. I made all the ports on the router act like as a switch. There's no like, my next one, I'm not going to do that. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, got my WLAN. I'm not sure what goes to what. All right. So we got 102 and 103. Okay, where's 102 and 103? So 103 is like going out. This is like, oh shit, what is this? This is like my stream. This is my stream going in 103. I don't think I'm in 102 here. Fortunately, there's these big fucking blah blahs. I'm thinking I'm on this. Let's ping 55.25.62. All right. Can I make these bigger? Where's that shit at? Yeah, I can't tell. My client. I've always had like issues like connecting to it, but now it doesn't even like check the host. Before it would check the known hosts and that was fine. But like now it doesn't even check the known hosts. Can I make my ping bigger? I just can't fucking see what's going on. Make ping packet size bigger. How big of a packet can you do? Test maximum NTE size. So the ping packet size is an S option. What? All right. I think it's 1.5. 2024. Here's a very simple solution. Yeah, someone got fucking cute on that. All right, so ping. 4024. 4096. Okay, 104 bytes. All right, so let's see. So I'm not seeing anything go between anything. It's not even going in there, right? Oh shit, what was that? So these, it's sending bytes. Yeah, because this will be jumping up to like 4 or whatever. Whatever this fucking thing did. What the fuck was this? You leave me with Henya. Gotta call it. Good luck. Good night. See ya. Yeah. This is like... I guess another way I could do it, I can like transfer a file through it to it. I can like put a big file and then see if I can transfer it, but I'm not seeing shit. I can cancel this one. Let me cancel this and see what happens. No. Come on. Come on, baby. Ooh, maybe it did do something. I don't know. Come on, baby. But I doubt I'm going to be able to see much coming on in this because it's just like, it's too big. Look at that. So I reset my cache. So if I reset my PC, would it do it? If I reset my router? I can go into here and uh-oh. There we go. All right. Wait a second. Exit. That 55. That 62. S 4096. Oh, look at that. Did that just do? What the fuck is this? I don't know what these big dumps are. So I guess I have my one thing connected to, I have my MAAS connected to, it looks like this here, LAN 011. And yeah. I can't tell what's going on with that. Looks like it's going in through here. This got bigger. Now, if I cut it, boom. So I'm going to control C this shit. There we go. Ooh. There it goes down. There it goes off. All right, I'm going to call it here. I already set this thing. What is this? Your following CA certificate expires. Entries are expiring. What do I have to do with this? How do I fucking... What do I do with this? Netgate. So I'm not the only... Okay, I believe the issue comes after digging in the Netgate forums. The issue is that the let's encrypt the immediate CA is expiring, not the certificate sales. So any new renewed certificates should be shown as R3 rather than... Okay. I don't know what the fuck this is. Okay. How do I renew these? I don't know. Why can't the fucking just do it itself? What do I do, bitch? how do I fix this? If you decide to purchase Netgate Global TAC support subscription, you must have your Netgate. I don't know. Fix this issue. Yeah, I don't know how to fix this. I don't know how to fix it. All right, I'm out. I appreciate y'all. I think, is it Cookie? Cookie. I don't know what the fuck that shit is. I don't know why it just doesn't fucking update the certificates itself. I don't even know where to fucking start. I'm probably getting hacked as we speak. Hacked as we speak. Uptime, 1 day, 10 hours, 58 minutes, 1 second. All right, I'm out of here. I'll see y'all later. Y'all stay classy, San Diego. Yeah. Yeah. I just have no clue, man. I just wish everything just worked. I'll just try resetting this thing and see what happens. Yeah. Bow, 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 bow. Have a good one, everybody. Stay out of trouble. Yay. I'll be on later on tonight. 10 p.m. Yay. I don't know. Maybe I'll play a game or something. I really want to fucking have that development PC going. But I'm just so brain dead. I've been working on it for like 2 days straight. This is so fucking stupid. So fucking stupid. Yeah. Maybe I'll switch out. Like, yeah. I am pretty sure I don't have that. Yeah. I don't know what's going on. So, all right. Peace in the Middle East. Bye.